Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. And I have my Heaven Panty subscription. This subscription is a monthly subscription. You can get it a few different ways. I have a link below for you to check out the website. If you join under me, you get $20 to spend, and I get $20 to spend. They change up what they do sometimes. They have a one-to-one store credit match. Where it was $13, and now I think it's changed a little bit because their pricing has changed. They do change up their plans from time to time. I think they're just trying to look for the right fit. So the one plan, which is what I have, which is one panty a month, you can do that, or there's also 2 panties a month. You can pay for it a little bit ahead and save a little money here and there. But what you get each month with the one plan is a $45 value. You get a panty that's worth $15, and you get a complimentary style service, you get free shipping, and then you get that one-to-one store match. So that starts at $7.99. So I think your match must be then $7.99. I'm not really sure what they're doing right now. But you also get to pick your preferences. You take a little profile, you'd go through and answer a couple questions. So they'll get an idea of what you like. So this is how it comes, so nobody can tell what's in there, which is very nice. I did cut the top open, and when you open it up, whoops, sort of stuck in there, you have this nice plastic bag that does have a Ziploc seal to it. So these are nice if you have to carry this bag with you, you know, for many things. Take that on vacation, put your dirties in there or whatever. Anyway, so it does give you a sneak peek at the color of what you're gonna get. So I am plus size, so these are plus size. They do have different sizing. They have a lot more on the website now. They keep adding to the website. They have bras, they have panties, they have different sets you can get. They have some different lingerie, very pretty things. So this is how it is. It's not quite nice on the card. It just was, looks like it was stuck on there, not the best. But this is a real pretty color. It's like a blush pink. Let's see. Oh, this is pretty. A little bit different. Here is the tag. Oh, these say that these are valued at $25. Usually they're valued at $15, so they have gone up. Or maybe this is a fancy pair. So let me show it to you. Look at how pretty that pink is. Okay, so this is, let me see what size it is. It looks pretty big. I get the XXXL is what I get, because, and this says 3X, so I may have to go down because I'll have to try them on. But the sizing before, it actually said XXXL. This says 3X, so maybe they're a little bit different. But these are very pretty, very, very pretty. They're silk and they're lace, and this lace is super, super soft. It's not scratchy at all. So let me show you the back. You have nice coverage in the back, and then you do have lace at the top of the thighs, and you do have cotton where you need it, and the front of it you have nice coverage as well. And then this has, excuse me, it is attached. Okay, it's sewn on there. It's just a little bit different the way that it is designed. Let me put my hands in there so you can see the way the front of it is. So it's almost like, there, can you see how that is? It is sewn on here, but a little bit different of a design for the sides, okay? So I love the color. It's beautiful, that pink blush. It may look a little lilac in there, but it isn't, it's pink. Very, very pretty. So that is my Heaven Panty. These are really nice. They usually wash very well. They do tell you on the website how to wash them. I just do them very delicately. I wash them and then I hang them up because I don't run, usually the dryer is what damages things, but you can hand wash them if you want to. I do put them in with other delicates to actually wash, and then I do hang them up. So, but they're nicely made, and they're pretty. These are really pretty. So I'm gonna have to try these on because they look a little big. And if so, then I'll just go down one size. So But you never know. So thanks for stopping by, y'all. I did want to tell you my last pair, last month I had, I'll put the video below. I had a seamless pair, and then I also got a free pair because of the money that accumulated in my account. I decided to get something like that, and I got a lacy pair that you all seem to like the lacy pair better, which I do too. I don't like the seamless, the ones I got. Now I have seen other people get seamless that they say they like. I did try those on. I didn't care for the way they felt. They had a scalloped edge around the where your legs would. It just, I did not care for them, and I told y'all I would let you know. So, but I know some people love that style. I am more traditional, I guess. So anyway, there's my Heaven Panties, and y'all take care and count your blessings. Good to see you. Bye bye.